This is video number 12 in the Jefferson Flats series. In this video we are going to start phase 5 where we start creating a sanitary network. Before I start creating a new pipe network though, I'm going to go to the tool space and I'm going to add some part sizes to our parts list. So on the settings tab of the tool space, you can scroll down and find the pipe network family and expand that so that you can see the parts list family. And if I expand that, here we get the full catalog. So that is the parts list we are going to use, but I need to add some part sizes to that catalog. So I'm going to right click and select edit. And then on the pipes tab, I am going to use HDPE pipe for our sanitary sewer. And I need to add some sizes to that. I want to be able to use all of the pipe sizes in that HDPE category. So if I right click on that, I can add part size, and then I'm just going to check the box to add all sizes, and then I can click OK and apply and OK, and now I can close the tool space. So at this point I'm ready to create a new pipe network. So I'm going to select this pipe network drop down and select the network creation tools, and here I can start selecting some of my input information. I'm going to start by renaming this network Sanitary, and I do want to use that full catalog of parts. I'm going to reference the development topo surface, and then I want to change my label style to the sanitary style. Before I close this window, I want to look at the layers that this stuff happens on. So here are the pipe plan layers and the structure plan, profile layers, and section layer. I'm going to change at least the first 4 of these layers, and I have to do that manually. So I'm going to click on this layers button, and then you can see the C storm pipe happens on, we're going to create the sanitary pipe, but that is currently happening on the storm pipe layer. So I need to change the storm pipe to sanitary pipe. So SSWR for sanitary, and here's our pipe layer. So I'll click OK and OK, and you can see that change to SSWR for sanitary sewer. And I have to do the same down below. So our structure, that is going to happen on the sanitary structure. So here's SSWR structure and OK. And then the storm or the profile layers for pipe and structures, that I'm going to change to the sanitary layers as well. So I want SSWR-prof, SSWR-prof, and OK. And the same thing here, I want SSWR-prof. So there is my layer. And I'm not going to bother changing the section layers. I'm not going to do any sections right now, but if everything looks good there, I can click OK, and I can click OK again. So now I'm ready to create my sanitary network, and I'm going to start by selecting the structure types I want, and I'm going to select the same structure types basically that I did for my storm network. If I select concentric cylindrical structure, rectangular frame, here I've got a 48-inch structure. And now for my pipe selection, I want that HDPE pipe, and now you can see all of the parts available to me. I'm going to start with an 8-inch pipe, and then I am going to start with pipes and structures. So I'm going to go ahead and select pipes and structures, and now I'm ready to start clicking and building my network. I'm going to start with just a few structures and a couple of pipes, but here is a sanitary main, and I am probably going to want a structure right there to connect into that main. And I'm going to start coming down the center line of this roadway, and maybe I'll put another structure sort of at this drive entrance. And it's likely you'll get errors popping up on you, especially if you've got a rule set selected. And at this point I have 2 structures and 1 pipe in my network, so I can hit escape, and I can always go back in and add more pipes and structures to that network. But I just wanted to go through the first part of this pipe network creation so that we could get that network on our site. And in case you close that pipe network creation tools window, you can always select one of these pipes or structures, right click, and right click, and you can select network properties here, or you can edit your pipe network from the ribbon. So you can get back into your network creation, creating pipes and structures, or pipes or structures, either way. So I will pick up more of this sanitary network creation in the next video.